In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Salesforce account. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step to ensure a smooth login experience. Whether you're an experienced user needing a quick refresher or a newcomer to Salesforce, these instructions will guide you through without any hiccups. First things first, you want to begin by opening your preferred web browser. The browser you choose can be any one that you're comfortable with, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. It doesn't matter which one you select as long as it's updated and functioning well. This helps ensure compatibility when you access Salesforce. Once your browser is open and ready to go, you'll need to head over to the Salesforce website. You can do this by typing in the web address into the address bar at the top of your browser window. It's always a good idea to either bookmark this page or save it in your browser's favorites to make accessing it easier in the future. Now that you're on the Salesforce homepage, the next step is to click the Login button. Typically, you will find this button in the top right corner of the page. It's labeled Login and is quite prominent, so it should be easy to spot. Clicking this button will take you to the login screen where you'll enter your credentials. When you arrive at the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your username. This is the email address associated with your Salesforce account. Be sure to enter it carefully to avoid any typos which could lead to login errors. After entering your username, the next step is to input your password. Your password should have been set when you created your Salesforce account. If you have difficulty remembering it, you can usually click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. But for today, let's assume you have it on hand and enter it in the designated field. Sometimes Salesforce may prompt you to complete a security verification. This is a crucial step in protecting your account and ensuring that only you can access it. You might be asked to enter a code that's sent to your registered email or mobile device. Whichever method you choose, follow the on-screen instructions precisely to complete this step. Finally, once all your details are correctly filled out, you're ready to click the Login button. This will authenticate your credentials, and if all is correct, you'll be smoothly directed to your Salesforce dashboard. So, that's it. You're now logged into Salesforce and ready to access the platform's vast resources and tools. Remember, if you encounter any issues along the way, double-check your username and password for accuracy, and ensure any security prompts are correctly followed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your Salesforce journey.